Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fine and well. And as we know about difficult situation, please don't go out. Stay at home and complete your work which we all are sending to you. Now let's begin lesson for class 5th. The lesson name is Know Your Planet. From this lesson, we are going to learn following points: shape of the earth, what is a globe, maps, reading maps. So dear students, let's begin the lesson. A Earth is a unique planet. It is the only planet in your solar system has water and air. A Earth has land masses and water bodies. The large land masses are called continents. The large water bodies are called oceans. So the first point, shape of the earth. In ancient times, people believed that the earth was flat and had steep edges. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. Pictures taken from space have also proved that the earth is like a sphere. It is round but is slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom like orange. Next point, what is a globe? A globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. It shows that distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. We can also see the correct shape, size and location of the continents and oceans on a globe. But we cannot always use a globe to study the earth. This is because a large globe is difficult to carry around. A globe is small and all the details of the place cannot be shown on it. We cannot make a globe for a part of the earth. Only one half of the earth can be seen at a time on a globe. Next point, maps. A map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. The word map comes from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. Georges Mercator, a Flemish map maker, was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of book. This is called an atlas. We'll see kinds of maps. There are different types of maps, but the three main kinds we'll see. First one is physical map, second one political map, and third one climatic map. Physical maps shows the physical features of a place such as mountains, plateaus, plains and rivers. Political maps. Countries, states and their capitals are shown on political maps. Next, climatic maps. General information about climate and rainfall of a region is shown in climatic maps. Besides these, there are maps that tell us about the industries, population, transports, minerals, crops, soil, natural resources, forests, and wildlife of region. Next point, reading maps. Maps gives us a lot of information about a country or a place. We must know how to read a map and understand the information it provides. Every map has some basic features like directions, scale, symbols, and colors. First, we'll see directions. All maps follow a system of directions. The four main or major directions are north, south, east, and west. The top of the map is north. The bottom of the map is south. East is to the right and west is to the left. The direction on a map can also be shown by an arrow marked N, which points towards the north direction. The other directions are then easy to find. We can also mark the four intermediate directions on a map. Northeast lies between the north and east. Northwest is between the north and west. Southeast is between the south and east. Southwest lies between the south and the west. Next point, scales. It is not possible to show the actual size of the earth on a map because it is too large. Let us suppose that the ground distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 kilometers. It is not possible to show these cities at 200 kilometers from each other on the map. Therefore, this distance is represented by a small unit on the map. The ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map is known as the scale of the map. In this case, we would write or say 5 centimeters to 200 kilometers. Maps are always drawn on scale. Next point, symbols. There is not enough space on a map to show mountains, rivers, lakes, bridges, dams, temples, churches, and railway tracks. However, a map without this information would not be useful. Different symbols are therefore used on a map to give us this information. For example, the land boundaries of a country is shown by thick dashes and dots in black. A city is marked by a small circle. You can see here many symbols. Next, colors. We use different colors to show various things on a map. Generally, maps follow a common colors scheme. For example, on a physical map, water bodies are shown in shades of blue. Light blue is used for shallow water and a dark shade of blue water